Respected sir, my name is Manish Radhesham Morolia. I am a research scholar in Department of Mechanical Engineering under the guidance of Dr. VC Jha, HOD, Department of Mechanical Engineering. My PhD topic is optimization of operational method to improve sustainable energy efficiency of auxiliaries in a CFBC coal-fired boiler. Abstract proposed project is to perform energy audit at Abhijit MDC Nagpur Energy Private Limited Mihan Power Plant Kheri Khurd Hingna Nagpur. The MNEPL power plant has 4 units each having a capacity of 61.5 megawatt, and the power generated by this particular power plant is supplied to a Mihan, that is a multi-modal international hub and airport at Nagpur. Basically what happens, the total power generation, out of the total power generation, around 8 to 9% of the power generation is consumed by the auxiliaries itself. So the my basic aim is to reduce the consumption of auxiliaries. The auxiliary power consumption can be reduced by improving the plant load factor of the plant, by operational optimization, adoption of advanced control techniques, and implementation of energy conservation measures. So these are the basic steps for reduction the auxiliary power consumption. By reducing the auxiliary power, additional power will be available at grid. Thus, the aim of the audit is to determine the potential areas for minimizing auxiliaries power consumption by operational optimization and energy management policy to improve energy efficiency of auxiliaries. This study will give the basic understanding of energy efficiency, energy management approach, and energy saving areas so as to achieve higher plant efficiency resulting fuel saving. So basically I am considering a main component, that is a boiler feed pump, which is having a highest auxiliary consumption in a particular single unit of a power plant. The audit is specifically targeted at the feed water system and its potential for obtaining considerable energy and cost saving. The audit deals with energy conservation achieved through operation of boiler feed pump by means of scoop control in auto mode, that is differential pressure method, during daily operation of the plant at varying load condition. So some introduction about the unit. The feed water system basically consists of the components like deaerator, boiler feed pump, HPA, that is high pressure heaters, feed regulator, that is FRS system. The major energy saving can be obtained by reducing the power consumption of the boiler feed pump. The BFP supplies water to boiler against a boiler drum pressure. The BFP has a high tension motor that is having capacity of 6.6 kilowatt, and the power required is around 1.6 megawatt.